First of all, she's a babe. Who doesn't love Michelle Pfeiffer? I'm obsessed. Love her. Always have. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea Middleton of LittleMrsMiddleton.com. And today I'm going to get right into it, you guys. I'm going over Henry Rose 100% transparent fine fragrances. I purchased the Discovery set recently. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. The Discovery set is all 5 of their fragrances in a sample form. It's $20 plus shipping, it's $25. And these fragrances smell so amazing. They are clean, and I'm a nursing mama and I care about things like that. If you've been around my channel for a while, you know this. So I'm going to go over really quickly what they say on the website, and then I'm going to take you through each one of these fragrances very quickly so you can decide which one you want to get. I would actually highly recommend getting the Discovery set. And since getting the Discovery set, I want all of these. I want to own all of the full-size bottles. So highly recommend getting the Discovery set because this is going to last my husband and I for a while. And I say my husband and I because these are genderless fragrances. So they're unisex. That's such a huge selling point for me. So if you don't know, Henry Rose is a company that Michelle Pfeiffer started. And I am late to the game. I feel like it's about a year old, this company, maybe, give or take. And I can't believe I just found out about it. The minute I found out about it, I purchased the product. I love Michelle Pfeiffer. I've always been a huge fan of hers. Henry Rose is named after her children. Henry and Rose are her children's middle names. So you guys, if you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with the EWG app on my phone. I recommend it to everyone, and also the Think Dirty app. These fragrances pass the EWG scoring with flying colors. So Jake's House is considered to be clean. Watery clean freshness encounters honeyed neroli for a light and clean musky finish. I'm obsessed with this fragrance. I smell a sense of saltiness in there. If you've ever smelled Terry Mugler's Alien, that back salty in the back base notes, I smell that in Jake's House. Jake's House reminds me of a really clean beach house. If you like a crisp, salty fragrance, and I don't want to say salty too much like you think it's like the saltiest thing. I really smell salt in it. Honeyed neroli. So if you don't know what neroli is, it's orange blossom flowers, I believe. Neroli is a beautiful flower. I think it's a citrus flower. I smelled all of them. I really do like all of them, but Jake's House, I could not put it down, so I decided to douse myself with it. And I honestly think that Jake's House is going to be my #1 fragrance out of this collection, because I haven't wanted to wear the other ones yet because I'm enjoying how this smells and feels. Really quickly, it does not cause headaches for me, so it's passed the headache test for me, which I really like. Yeah, if I had to sum up Jake's House, it's very light, it's crisp, it's clean, it has a bit of saltiness, but the dry down has a tiny bit of muskiness. It is not a very musky fragrance, so don't think that you're gonna get it and it's like musk. It has a clean musky finish, not a heady, heavy one, if that makes sense. So Jake's House is a win for me. I like it. My husband was like, what's that smell? That smells good. And I didn't say anything. I just wanted him to keep going. And then he gets on the bed, because I was laying on the bed when he came in and said that. And then he gets on the bed and he's like, what is that? And then he's trying to smell my diffusers on with my oils next to me. And he's like, it's not the oils that I'm smelling. And I'm like, I know, smell my neck. And he smelled my neck and he's like, I like it. We're both fans of Jake's House. I love it. If you like a clean, bright fragrance with a little bit of musky and a little bit of salty, which, like I said, it reminds me of a beautiful vacation beach house, you're gonna like Jake's House. The next one I'm gonna go over is Torn, and I made these little cards to spritz for you and give you a little. The thing with these is they smell real high end. I used to work at Sephora selling fragrances. I used to work at Nordstrom selling fragrances. These are the real deal, y'all. These are not, like, I've had fragrances that are supposed to be cleaner that don't last and they don't smell like this. This smells expansive. This smells like money. This smells like you are a boss babe or a boss man. Like you're going to a business meeting and you're commanding a room and you're ready to make deals, right? You're a mover and a shaker and you smell confident. Let me look up what the description is for you. Torn is considered to be a warm fragrance. Yes, yes. Henry Rose Torn. The richness of vanilla bean blends with the earthiness of vetiver roots to create an aroma that's both spicy and floral. This is just confidence in a bottle. I can smell that vanilla right off the bat, but the more that you sniff, I'm smelling more of the vetiver, which is, vetiver is a root, if you don't know. It's a root that they dig up through the dirt. So it almost smells like dirt and roots, which I love. I have vetiver essential oil that I'm constantly using because it's great for anxiety. I love Torn. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. This is sexy. This is like, I would wear this for a date night with my man. And I know that we're gonna get all close and have some fun. This is sexual. This is considered a sensual. So just to recap, Jake's House is clean. Torn is considered to be a warm fragrance, and this one is supposed to be sensual. Henry Rose Dark as Night. The woodiness of patchouli blends with the richness of vanilla bean for a decadent finish. That's the best description for this. And you know what's funny? I love this. My dog is like tripping. But I want to smell this on my man. Like I want to put this on him. Like I would wear this for sure, but I want this on him. That smells so nice. Okay, Dark as Night is a winner. I'm obsessed. I'm loving it. And if you like vanilla bean, you can't go wrong with Dark as Night. It's beautiful. Next one we're gonna go over is Fog. I'm loving all of these fragrances, but so far Jake's House is still my favorite. Have you ever been to the beach when it's like cold and foggy outside? There's a clean, crisp, I think there might be citrus in this one. I smell a brightness. It's considered a fresh, so the description is fresh. Henry Rose Fog. The lightness of vetiver wood is cut with a soft musk to create a perfectly balanced freshness. I'm here for it. I think Fog's my new favorite. I love Jake's House. I'm wearing it. I will stay to wear it, but like, I think Fog is here to stay. Last but certainly not least is Last Night. So I'm going to go ahead and spritz first the whole. Last Night is really light. It's really light. When you have a fragrance, there's a top note, the middle note, and then the base note. The top note is the first impression. It's the first notes that you pick up. The middle note is like a little bit after the dry down. That's what you can smell. And then the base notes are what linger for hours and hours and even on to the next day. And this one has me all kinds of confused. It has my nose confused. Since I'm confused, I'm just gonna read the description of it. Smooth. Henry Rose Last Night. Fresh floral notes come together with musk and patchouli to create a smooth, woody effect. If this is not smooth, I don't know what is. I like how it's floral, but it doesn't smell like a bouquet of flowers. Like it's very light floral. It's not like you're getting hit over the head with like roses and lilies, which don't get me wrong, I love a good rose and lily fragrance. But I should have brought some coffee beans over here. I would say that Jake's House and Last Night are like, would be my everyday fragrances. And then Dark as Night and Torn. There's something about those ones that are a little bit more sexy and confident. And then Fog, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with Fog. This is definitely a thoroughly modern fragrance collection. I'm obsessed with it. I hope you enjoyed my mini review. I just wanted to go over all of the fragrances individually and very quickly for a mama on the go who doesn't have all the time in the world. So I hope I did that for you today. And I hope you check these out. Let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching my review. I do want to mention that when you do purchase the Discovery set, you get $20 towards your first bottle. So the Discovery set costs $20, not including shipping. And then when you go to buy your first bottle, $20 goes towards your first fragrance bottle. That $20 expires in 30 days. So be aware after you purchase that you have 30 days to use that up. The hard part for me is going to be deciding on what my first bottle is going to be. So I'll let you know on Instagram what I end up choosing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know if there's anything else that you'd want me to review, and have a great day.